on a strike in Mumbai demanding rationalization of fares along with other reforms. Rachna is joining in with more on this. Rachna, tell us, what are their demands?
Right, if you have been struggling to book a cab on Ola, Uber, Rapido in Mumbai for the last 24 hours, then you're not alone. Because these cab drivers are on strike. And even if you get a cab by any chance, either the rides are taking too long to confirm, or the fares are sky high, or it's just exorbitant prices that you have to put through. Well, all of this is because the drivers are on strike, as you mentioned. Yesterday, in fact, there was a massive gathering at Azad Maidan where all the drivers came together and listed out a charter of demands. Now, these demands include fare rationalization, parity with meter cabs, a ban on bike taxis with a white plate that, according to them, have been operating illegally, and an urgent implementation of Maharashtra Gig Workers Act and the formation of Drivers Welfare Board that was directed in the recent MVA guidelines that were issued just this month. Now, the MVA guidelines, the Motor Vehicle Aggregators guidelines, were issued just on 1st of July. This strike comes just days after that. Now, according to the guidelines, what is changing is that state governments will now will set the base fare for Ola, Uber and Rapido, and below 3 kilometers, the dead mileage cannot be priced in. Now, the demand here is that there should be a uniform policy and not just a state-based policy. So, when I spoke to some drivers, they said that the same policy that is taking place in Maharashtra should be applicable in Telangana or Karnataka, for instance. Another thing is that driver payouts should be standardized. A major point of clarification that these drivers need is on insurance, because the MVA guidelines did mention insurance to come in from the aggregators, but there's no clarity so far. So that is one of the demands that they have listed out. Apart from that, they want that there should be no surge beyond reasonable limits. Now, one would think that these surge prices are actually good for drivers, but they're not, because they think they exploit customers, and because of that, customers are not trusting enough to get in an Ola, Uber or Rapido, so in turn breaking customer confidence when it comes to surge price instead of benefiting them. So these are their demands. Another one is that gig workers should immediately be recognized under the labor laws. Now, definitely we saw that the MVA guidelines were a step forward, but what these drivers are looking for is more clarity on ground than just in policy.
Well, thanks so much for all of those details, Rachna. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Business Lunch. From Hormaz, me and everyone who put the show together, thanks for tuning in. Don't go anywhere. Midcap Radar comes up next.